Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportBikeTrackHere.com, and today we're going to take a good look at the Capit Race Suit Dryer. I have no idea in which order Tom's going to get these videos edited, but it's quite possible you've already seen the Capit helmet dryer, which is amazing. If you're going to have that, you got to have this. This is their race suit dryer. Like the helmet dryer, it comes in this nice travel bag. It's a little padded to help protect your investment. This is designed to dry your race suit out at the end of a race weekend. You know, to dry it a bit in between sessions. And depending on where and how you're riding, like racing at Moto America, we're riding 2 times a day. You can get the thing pretty damn dry in between sessions if you have the equipment to get it done. What we have here is we have a large molded hanger, right, for the suit to zip over. What they've done here, this part's really interesting. First off, this loop here is metal, okay? And to get it to stow away, because probably the most fragile thing would be if this was just fixed, that's probably fucking going to get broken when you're hauling it around, right? So what they've done here is it rotates freely and it slides like this. So when you store it or travel with it, there's no worries about that thing breaking off. That was actually pretty smart. The whole base where the fan and the heater are, that's all metal. And something that's unique with this one, you know, we sell another race suit dryer we've been selling for years, great product too. That one's just a fan. This one is a fan and also offers the option of heat. So you're able to, a little more efficiently, dry the suit. Intake is obviously right up here at the top where it should be. Exhaust is down here. Fan's pretty robust. You want to add a little heat to it. Flip the switch. The elemental warm. I've ran both of these, the helmet dryer and this in my office here for a while. The heaters, right? They're not going to burn you, but they definitely warm the air. You can already feel it, and that's just going to help dry the race suit more effectively, more efficiently than blowing just, you know, ambient air through it. Whether it's this one or the other one, having a race suit dryer is a solid investment. The race suit is one of the most expensive pieces of equipment that you're going to purchase, right? It's pretty much that and the helmet when it comes to your protective apparel. If you just take your wet race suit, and we all know they get wet when you're riding them, you're sweating in it, there's no way around it, and you just throw it in the gear bag and then throw it in the trailer, and then get home and, you know, you don't get your shit unpacked right away and you don't take the steps to hang your suit up, it's really hard on the leather. No doubt about it. What we use the race suit dryers for is every weekend when we're at the track, you know, and right now Max is at Moto America, he's riding a couple of times a day. You know, sometimes we go practice days and he's doing 5, 7 sessions, whatever. Every time he takes his race suit off, it's hung on the suit dryer to just keep air moving through it, get it as dry as you can in between sessions. At Moto America, you can get it pretty damn dry because it's hanging for hours, right? Track day is a little less dry. When we're done with the day, we always hang the suit on the dryer and we let it run until we're basically ready to roll, okay? And that could be end of the day, you know, day one of the weekend, or that could be when we're getting ready to pack the trailer and head home. One of the last things to get put away typically is the race suit, because the drier you get it before you stow it away, the better off it's going to be for the suit. You know, helps maintain its protective integrity, right? Also helps keep the odor of the race suit down. This is a worthwhile investment. We got, like I said, we have this one that has the heater. We have the hang dry that is fan only and has no heater. Either one of them is an effective piece of equipment. I think this one, Capit one, was pretty cool. I wanted to show it because it came with a heater in it. I thought it was pretty slick, man. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself. And just like with the helmet dryer, I'm here to help you get your suit dry in between sessions.